Okay, we're doing some soldering today. Bailey is putting the pins on this Raspberry Pi Pico. This is the way they come to us from the supplier without the pins on them. And here are the way the pins look when we start. We cut them the right length and then solder them on as she's doing. Putting the pins in a breadboard to stabilize them and then soldering each pin. It's kind of tedious work, but that's the way we get our boards from the supplier. And we add the pins. The soldering iron is pretty hot, so you need to be careful with it. And we'll show more about this.